You'll need your favorite type of chunky yarn, about 7 to 9 pipe cleaners of any color, but I prefer colors that are close to the yarn so it blends well together. You can add more pipe cleaners if you want to make a larger coaster, scissors, and a hot glue gun. To begin our coaster, we're going to start twisting our yarn around our pipe cleaner, fold over a little piece, and then begin twisting in the opposite direction. In the beginning, it's really easy to just twist your pipe cleaner from the bottom and hold your yarn in place as you go a little bit towards the bottom so it rolls on nicely. So here we are, just continuing to roll all the way until the end, up until we get to the little chunk at the bottom. Now we're going to take our next pipe cleaner and twist it into our original one at the end so that we can continue it and increase the length of our coaster. Now that we've got our second pipe cleaner attached, we're going to continue twisting the yarn around until we've attached all 7 to 9 pipe cleaners. Now that we've got the majority of our pipe cleaners wrapped in the yarn, it gets a little trickier to twist the yarn, so you'll have to go a little bit slower, and you'll twist the yarn as opposed to twisting the pipe cleaners. Once we get to the end, we'll do what we did at the beginning, folding over a chunk of the pipe cleaner, wrapping it in the yarn, but this time at the end we'll glue the yarn to keep it in place. Once the yarn is securely glued, you can cut off the excess, put that away, and grab the hot glue gun. To get the coaster shaped, we'll begin twisting the pipe cleaners into a circle and gluing small parts, twisting it in a circle again, and holding for a few seconds to make sure it dries together. You'll keep twisting and gluing until you get to just about the end of your pipe cleaners. got the shape almost complete, you'll want to make sure that you glue the end securely enough so that it stays put. Holding it down for a few seconds to make sure it stays secure. And there you have it, your very own coaster. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check back next week for our next Blue Moon Craft.